In this video, I'm going to help you fix a HAIER flat screen LCD TV that no longer turns on or their screen stays black. It's very rare that I come across a HAIER TV, but every once in a while I will come across one. And sometimes you'll get the black screen of death on them, which is kind of common with these models. So first thing I want you to do is locate the power cord on the HAIER, rather the power button. Sometimes it's underneath the logo and sometimes it's actually on the side here. And try turning the HAIER on directly from the TV. If it does work when it's plugged in, then you know the issue's with your remote control batteries or the remote. So exchange the batteries or get a new remote, and that'll fix a lot of times the issue. Alright, next thing I want you to do is actually check the HDMI ports on the back of the TV and make sure that there's nothing plugged into them. So remove anything that you have on them, whether it's a cord or an Xbox, PlayStation, Roku device, a Fire TV device, and what will happen is a lot of times that will trip up the power and make it not work. And if it does and you try to plug it back in, it may be an issue with that device. Alright, now after we've tried that, what I want you to do is do a soft reset. So what we're going to do is we're going to unplug it from the wall for about 1 minute. Now as you're doing this, I want you to actually test out your power outlet that you have the TV. Try a laptop or a cell phone or a dryer, a hair dryer rather, something that you could test the AC power port. And if those don't work, then you know the issue is not with your TV but with this power outlet, and most likely it just got tripped up. So find the circuit board in your home and then go ahead and push the power back on, and then maybe that will actually fix the problem. All right, so we got our power cord disconnected for 1 minute. And this is actually doing a power cycle on it. So I want you to do is get your remote, if you have one, to the HAIER, point it at the TV and hold the power for 30 seconds. Don't let go. And then after you do that, locate the power button on the TV and hold that for 30 seconds and don't let go. And again, what that's doing is doing a full power cycle. Now I'll go ahead and plug it back into the wall, the power, and see if that will fix the problem. A lot of times that will fix the issue. Alright, now after we've tried that, what we're going to do is we're going to do something unconventional, and we're going to heat up the components in the back of the TV. So I want you to locate a hair dryer, looks like something like this, and what we're going to do is blow air into the back, and what this is going to do is actually knock the dust around the TV, and it's going to warm up the components a little bit, changing the chemistry, and a lot of times that will make it work. So put it on high pressure, medium heat, make sure the TV is unplugged, keep it unplugged, and wherever you see a vent, I want you to blow warm air. Now after you do that, I want you to let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. Don't do it any sooner because you don't want to plug it up while it's still hot. Alright, so keep it unplugged. After 30 minutes, go ahead and try it out and see if that made it work. If it doesn't and your TV's old, it's not in a warranty, go ahead and think about just getting a new TV. I'll link up on the end of this video where you can get like an ON TV, but there's several good brands out there at good prices. Don't spend $120, $200, $100 to get a TV fixed when you can put that money towards a brand new TV. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.